Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my blog. And this is day trading. Like I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, that when something drastically changes, I'm going to do a video of it so I don't forget what happened. Well, and of course, I'm not a professional trader. This is just my personal journey into trading, and I thought I'd share it as I go through my journey, especially if there's others out there who are doing the same thing, that we're going to learn together, and this is what happened to me, and you tell me what happened to you. So anyway, yesterday's trading on a company that is similar to Viagra and Cialis, except that they are developing a cream. Well, they were waiting for the results from the FDA. Somehow or other I got FAA in there. Well, I'm taking the FAA course for commercial drones, but anyway, FDC. Permission and acceptance for this product. So I happened to be reading on it, and it came in through my email. I decided to check it out and find out what this company was, because of course they want you to subscribe before they'll tell you what the companies are. And I did some research and I found it. Well, I went ahead and bought some stock on it yesterday, just before the announcement was going down, and it was at $3 a share. It was like 3.6 start with, and I went ahead and I set mine for 3, and it dropped down to 2.89, and then in the day it shot back up to 3.20, so I had a profit. Well, checked on it this morning. FDA did not approve it. The stock tanked. It went from $3.25 down to $1.19. So there you go. If they had approved it, there's no telling where that would have gone. But that's all right. That's the way it is. They're gonna go back in, and try and get their approval again. Of course, FDA has their stipulations as how they want it to, be. This is the second time this company's gone in to do that, and of course the stock kind of climbed up that day before the results. It was a $40 stock company at one time, but unfortunately it tanked. So in fact, what's she sitting at right now? Get a chance to look at it. It is, last time I looked at it, it was $1.19. It is now at $1.04. So in my case, as soon as I get more money in there, I'm going to buy it up, because when I buy it up, it's going to drop my overall average cost on it from $3 down to whatever I purchase. So if I buy double the quantity of stock that I got, it's going to drop that in half. So it'll bring it down, and then sit on it. And when it goes up, there's also another company that's in the same. This is biotech, bioscience, and I got another one that I was looking at yesterday, and it's at like 43 cents. Last time I looked at it, let's see what it says right now. Yeah, the other one I was looking at. Ooh, okay, she had a positive 2 cents, and then she dropped to a -1. So overall in this company that I invested in the other day, it had a $2.15 drop. So it's just, you know, gambling, as you might want to call it. But you know, you gotta stick with it. Don't get negative about it. Just, you know, as far as I'm concerned, stay with the flow. This is an opportunity to buy more and sit on it. And when they go back in again to get approval, and if it does, boom, you know. But of course, the stock will go up again, you know, even before their approval. It'll just, you know, it'll bounce up, bounce down. But you got to turn, you know, turn things positive and not sit at it negatively. The thing with Kodak, let's see, she went negative 45 cents today, and my average buy on that, go back to my positions now. I use Choice Trade as my company for trading. Kodak is, unfortunately, my average buy on that is $9.39 a share, and she's sitting at $6.55. So, you know, there's a negative there. And all 10 of my shares, or 9 shares now, or nine stocks, I'm a negative $8.55 for today, February 16, 2019. So everything's closed for the day, for the week, and that's where I sit currently. So I got a couple here that were positives, and some that are negative. I got this one. Yeah. But hey, that's the way it is. So if you don't buy, you're not gonna gain, and you're always gonna lose. But the fact is, you sit with it long enough, it's gonna go back up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in some of these stocks, just, you know, put a comment in there, and I'll let you know what stocks I'm dealing with. And if you've got some stocks, you know, we can chat and see what's going on. So thanks for watching again. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get my 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm like 102 short of my 1,000 subscribers before the 20th, and then I'll just go into a suspension phase until I get my 1,000. So anyway, chatted enough, and we'll catch you on the next day trading.